Hello, everyone. My name is Kit, and this is Tracy. We're here to present our idea 2WA to you. So XAI, Anthropic, and SpaceX, these are very successful companies. But this private company only issue new share to large institutions or the private equity funds. Average investor, they have no access to it at all. So we, 2WA, we want to build a platform to provide this investment opportunity to everyone. So we build our platform on Solana, and we partner with private equity funds, and we try to source the best private equity deals globally and make it accessible. And we build our platform in a very compliant way, so our investor and our partner trust our platform. So we believe most of the financial assets from Wall Street will be tokenized and traded on blockchain. And our mission is to empower everyone with the top-tier tokenized opportunities. So this is our deal flow. XAI and Anthropic, those are the best LLM company in the world. And Airwallex, it is a fast-growing fintech company in the world. And 1X, it is one of the most advanced humanoid robotic company in Silicon Valley. So we try to make this available to our investors. So I'm going to introduce our product feature to you. If you want to be an LP of a private equity funds, it takes a lot of time, and the minimum investment amount usually to be $1 million US. So what we do is we partner with private equity funds, and we try to, what we do is we partner with these private equity funds, and we try to minimize the investment amount to $10 US. So if you go to our website, you can see the price per share, and you can see the latest valuation on our website. And you can also see the company overview, and you can also see the industry competition and the product performance on our website. If you like the idea, if you like the project, you can just click the purchase button, and the transaction will be completed on Solana. And you will get your token in your wallet. So we also have our reward program on our website, and we also have our leaderboard on our website. So you can see your PE token in your profile very easily. So this is basically what our product looks like. Without a very strong compliance support, all of this is very hard. So from day one, we have Alpha Ladder with us. Now I'm going to pass my time to Tracy to talk about the tokenization process.
Hi, thank you. Thank you, Kit. Hi, everyone. I'm Xiaoyun, or also go by Tracy. I'm from Alpha Ladder Finance. We also name us Metacomp. Metacomp serves as crucial regulated backbone for 2WA, and we ensure a compliance-regulated foundation being a financial institution based in Singapore, regulated by Monetary Authority of Singapore, with multiple licenses, including CMS, RMO, and fund management. So this is our flagship project, tokenizing the XAI equity. Our involvement since day one, including conducting due diligence, verifying underlying assets, applying custodian framework, and utilizing fund structuring capability. This structure allows PE shares to be converted into 2 XAI token, which investors can then access directly via marketplaces like 2WA platform or other cryptocurrency exchanges. It gives investors a direct access to high-growth private equity markets while upholding the highest regulatory standard. Back to you, Kit.
Thank you, Tracy. So we 2WA, we are a team from the PE background, and we are the team from the Web3 backgrounds. So with the support from Solana and Alpha Ladder, so we want to provide this PE tokenization opportunity to everyone. We also work with our ecosystem partners, such as Free World Global, ZoomX, Binex, and XT. So with their ecosystem, so we can provide our token in a very accessible and liquid way. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.